Welcome to this fantastic family home in Glenrosa. It offers an in-ground solar heated pool, a jacuzzi hot tub, and a great floor plan. Let's take a look. The home offers a great living space, cozy kitchen, and a sunken living room as a second living space, as well as 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This neighborhood is known as Heritage Pines. It's a special area of Glenrosa, and it's close to schools. There's a corner store nearby, and the trail networks are great for hiking, mountain biking, ATVing. Glen Canyon Park is only a few steps away. We've got a large corner lot. It's xeriscaped, so easy maintenance. You've got lots of parking, RV parking, even a dedicated panel for the RV. Give me a call. I'm Stephanie Gilchrist at Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty.